Students, today the last lecture on vocabulary. We will begin our vocabulary from 181 till end 204 words. I hope that's the first round of vocabulary you have done quite well. So nice of you. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.
Our first word is succulent, rasili. Meanings are rich in desirable qualities. Sentence is succulent brambles are chosen to extract nectar from them. Brambles ये फल है जिससे रस निकाला जाता है. Synonyms are moist, tasty, yummy, divine, lush, rich, heavenly, mellow. Antonyms are unappetizing, dry, unjuicy. Next word is shuffled. Shuffle का मतलब होता है तरतीब, नए सिरे से तरतीब लगाना. To walk without lifting the feet or with clumsy steps and a shambling gait. पाँव घसीट कर चलना भी shuffle हो. Sentence is shuffle the card before you start the game. Synonyms are drag, limp, straggle, stumble, muddle, pad, scrape, scuff, scuffle, shamble, trail. Antonyms are rush, arrange, order, organize, run. Next word is sailed. रवाना होना, खासतौर पे जहाज या कश्ती पे रवाना होना, समुद्री सफर को सेल कहते हैं. Meanings are an area of canvas or other fabric extended to the wind to transmit the force of the wind to drive a boat along. Sentence is they sail towards a lonely island. Synonyms are cruise, drift, float, fly, leave, move, navigate, reach, run, shoot, skim, soar, steer, sweep, boat, captain, dart, embark, flit. Antonyms are go, land, remain, stay, stop, walk. Next word is stunt, kartab. Meanings are to stop, slow down or hinder the growth of or development of or dwarf. Stunted growth medical meaning भी इसका होता है जिसका मतलब growth का रुक जाना. Sentence is the children with stunted growth need extra care. Synonyms are feat, sketch, skit, achievement, act, caper, exploit, feature. Antonyms are failure. Next word is sauntered. It's a verb past form टहलते हुए जाना, टहलना. Meanings are to walk with a leisurely gait, stroll. Sentence is mostly people are found sauntering along the beach. Synonyms are loiter, meander, sulk, mosey, ramble, roam, sashay, toddle, traipse, wander, ankle, dally, drift, linger. Antonyms are go direct, stay, go, hurry, rush, run. Splendor. Meanings are brilliant or gorgeous appearance, coloring, etc. Magnificence. Sentences nothing in nature can exceed in splendor. Synonyms are brilliance, brilliancy, grandeur, grandness, luster, luster, magnificence, splendor. Antonyms are dull, dreary, ordinary. Next word is sagged off, हटा दिया, हटा देना. Phrasal verb है ये. Sag वैसे verb के तौर पे हो तो लटका हुआ, ढीला ढाला. Meanings are to skive, not to attend school when required to do so. To back off from an opponent against whom one is defending. To move too far leeward when sailing on the wind. ये तीन different इसके meanings हैं. Sentence is his trousers were sagging off his legs. Synonyms shirker, maligner, truant. Antonyms are brave, courageous, advanced. Next word is speckled with, परेशान होना. Phrasal verb है. Speckle का लफ्ज़ी मतलब dots को कहते हैं. It's a pattern, dotted. Meanings are to be distributed in or on like speckles, to mark with speckles. Sentence is she was speckled with her new dress. Synonyms are mottled, sprinkled, dappled, flaked, freckled, motley, peppered, spotted, stippled, studded, variegated. Antonyms are plain, unspeckled, dotless. Next word is stable. मुस्तहकम होना और घोड़ों के बांधने की जगह को भी stable बोलते हैं. Meanings are A building for the lodging and feeding of horses, cattle, etc. Sentences: the country, long viewed as stable, has recently been home to upheaval. Synonyms are stalwart, staunch, stout, tough, uniform, brick wall, deep-rooted, equable, mutable, perdurable, resolute, set in stone, solid as a rock, stationary, staying put, steadfast, sturdy, sure, together. Antonyms are temporary, undependable, unfixed, unprotected, unreliable, unsafe, unstable, untrustworthy, vulnerable, weak, challengeable, changing, different, flexible, indefinite, and irresolute. Next word is tentatively, आर्जी तौर पर. Of the nature of, or made or done as a trial, experiment or attempt. Experimental also. Sentences: the efforts for fuel price adjustment are feeding slowly and tentatively. Synonyms are subject to further confirmation, not definitely. Antonyms: certainly, definitely, surely. Next word is tackle, nimatna. Meanings are equipment, apparatus or gear especially for fishing. I went there late in the afternoon to tackle the situation. तो एज अ नाउन और एज अ वर्ब दोनों के डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स हैं. मछली पकड़ने वाले सामान को, तार को, कांटे को टैकल बोलते हैं. और एज अ वर्ब निमटना. Synonyms are gear, equipment, apparatus, outfit, kit, rig, hardware, dive into, wade in. Antonyms are avoid, evade, shun, dally, dawdle, dilly-dally, fiddle around, fool, idle, lag, mess, monkey around, play, poke, potter around, putter around, trifle. Next word is tumultuous, hangama khiz, tufani. Meanings are raising a great clatter and commotion, disorderly or noisy. Sentences: the life of William Marshall was tumultuous from the beginning. Synonyms are loud, deafening, thunderous, thundering, ear-shattering, ear-splitting, ear-piercing, uproarious, noisy, clamorous, vociferous. Antonyms are mild, moderate, peaceful, quiet, orderly. Next word is tomfoolery, bewakufi. Meanings are foolish or silly behavior, foolishness, as presented by these minions. His acts of tomfoolery hindered his promotion. Synonyms are silliness, fooling, clowning, capering, capers, antics, pranks, buffoonery, skylarking, nonsense, horseplay, mischief, foolishness, foolery, stupidity. Antonyms are sense, seriousness. Next word is tangled or tangle, ulajna, verb. Meanings are to bring together into a mass of confusedly interlaced or intertwisted threads, strands or other like parts. Snarl. Sentence is the tangle of political moves put the common masses in a state of uncertainty. And synonyms are entangle, snarl, catch, entwine, intertwine, intertwist, twist, ravel, knot and mesh, coil, mat, jumble, muddle. Antonyms are organization, peace. Next word is trough, girat, niche ko aana. Meanings are a long, narrow, open spectacle, usually box-like in shape, used chiefly to hold water or food for animals. Sentence is plunging toward the trough of a shock wave. The engine screams to a halt. Synonyms are a long, narrow, open container for animals to eat or drink out of, channel, conduit, duct, area between waves or hills. Antonyms are crest, peak, protuberance, coxcomb. Next word is tangled, उलझ गया या उलझा हुआ होना. Meanings are snarled, interlaced or mixed up. Sentence is the relationship, the motivations of their chief participants are tangled. Synonyms are brock, Byzantine, complex, complicate, complicated, elaborate, intricate, involute, involved, naughty, labyrinthine. Antonyms are non-complex, plain, simple, uncomplicated. Next word is urge, guzarish karna, uksana, targheeb dena. Meanings are the relationships and motivations of their chief participants are as tangled and shady as you expect of the super rich. Sentences: let's urge people to donate for the blind. Synonyms are desire, wish, need, impulse, compulsion, longing, yearning, hankering, craving, appetite, hunger, thirst, lust, fancy. Antonyms are dislike, distaste, hate, hatred, indifference, block, deterrent. Next word is unburdened, azad. Meanings are to free from a burden. Sentences: sometime he thought he might meet the boy face to face and tell him all that his heart longed to unburden itself of. Synonyms are not burdened or disencumbered, free. Antonyms are dishonest, fastened, inaccessible, locked, lying, obstructed, shifty, shut, subject, sure, unavailable, unclear, vague. Next word is unprovoked, bebunyad. Meanings are to stir up, arouse or call forth feelings, desires or activity. Sentences: the video of the entire incident showed that the violence by soldier was unprovoked. Synonyms are carried out, occurring or acting without direct provocation, unfounded, gratuitous, undue, uncalled for, indefensible. Indefensible. Antonyms are justified, proven, reasonable, sensible, unprejudiced, warranted, called for. Next word is ventured, कोशिश करना. Venture कोशिश होती है, noun भी है ये. Meanings are an undertaking involving uncertainty as to the outcome, especially a risky or dangerous one. Sentences: Amanda ventured back to that mysterious place again. Synonyms are travel, journey, go, move, proceed, progress, set out, set forth, enterprise. Antonyms are sure thing. Next word is vulnerable, kamzor, risky, under threat. Meanings are capable of or susceptible to being wounded or hurt as by a weapon. Sentences: social media forces us to not only be vulnerable for our partner but for the whole world. Synonyms are in danger, in peril, in jeopardy, at risk, endangered, unsafe, unprotected, ill-protected, unguarded. Antonyms are protected, safe, secure, strong, unsusceptible, closed. Next word is whipped, koda marna, chanta marna. Meanings are having received a whipping. Sentences: she whipped the horse to make it run fast. Synonyms are having been flogged or beaten with a whip, lashed, punished. Antonyms are bridle, check, constrain, curb, scourge, hold, inhibit, regulate, rein in, restrain, tame, allay, calm, quiet, settle, soothe, still, subdue, tranquilize. Next word is weighing up, वजन करना, phrasal verb है ये. Meanings are to look at and listen to someone in order to make a judgment about that person's character, ability, etc. Sentences: she was watching him closely as he spoke, weighing him up. Synonyms are hydrostatic, weighing, oppressing, overburdening. Antonyms are dominating. Next word is writhing, kalai marorna. Meanings are to twist the body about or squirm, as in pain, violent effort, etc. Sentences: the teacher punished Kim for writhing his fellow during break. Synonyms are making, twisting, squirming, movement or contortions of the body. Antonyms are relax, rest, unwind, calm down, still. Next word is waft, तहलील होना, हवा में उड़ जाना. Meanings are to carry lightly and smoothly through the air and over water. Sentences: I feel so light that it would take little to waft me up to the sky, said Martha, hoping so to create sympathy. Synonyms are drift, float, glide, whirl, travel. Antonyms are hold, keep, take. Next word is yearning, tarap, dua, khwahish, wish. Meanings are deep longing, especially when accompanied by tenderness or sadness. Sentences: the story told with precision and restraint is full of yearning and quiet reflection. Synonyms are longing, penning, craving, desire, want, wish, hankering, urge, need, hunger, hungering, thirst, appetite, greed, lust, ache, burning. Antonyms are disinterest, dislike, distaste, hate, hatred, indifference, satisfaction. Next word is yelp, bhonkna. To give a quick, sharp, shrill cry as a dog or fox. Sentence is the crowning intake of breath followed a paroxysm in whooping cough. Synonyms are squeal, squawk, screech, shriek, scream, howl, yowl, wail, yell, cry, call, shout, bawl, yawl, whoop. Antonyms are murmur, mutter, whisper. Next word is yield. पैदावार, हथियार डाल देना, surrender कर देना. Meanings are to give forth or produce by a natural process or in return for cultivation. Sentences: this is largely untapped opportunity that will yield positive returns both in human and financial terms. Synonyms are surrender, capitulate, submit, relent, admit defeat, accept defeat, concede defeat, back down, climb down, quit, give in, give up the struggle, lay down one's arms, raise, show the white flag. Antonyms are bills, debt, payment. Next word is zealous, jushilla. Meanings are full of, characterized by, or due to zeal. Ardently active, devoted, or diligent. Sentences: the zealous player really played wonderful. Synonyms are fervent, ardent, fervid, fiery, passionate, impassioned, devout, devoted. Antonyms are cold, cool, dispassionate, frigid, happy, indifferent, unconcerned, unenthusiastic. Next word is zenith, bulandi. The point on the celestial sphere vertically above position or observer. Sentence is: the new film star is at the zenith of her success. Synonyms are highest point, high point, crowning point, top, acme, peak, pinnacle, apex, apogee, tip, crown, crest, summit, climax, culmination, maximum, optimum, prime, median. Antonyms are bottom, depth, lowness, nadir, start, unimportance. Last word is zest. Meanings are keen relish, hearty enjoyment, gusto. Sentences: all of us participated in the tree plantation program with a great zeal and zest. Synonyms are enthusiasm, gusto, relish, zestfulness, appetite, eagerness, keenness, avidity, zeal, fervor, ardor, passion, love, enjoyment, joy, delight. And antonyms are blandness, boredom, dullness, idleness, lethargy, indifference, and laziness. Thank you very much, students. That's all with UHS Vocab Essential Word List. Now you are supposed to watch these videos and learn these words, meanings, and use in the sentences. Best of luck for your Mdcat 2020 that is going to take place on 18th of October. Allah Hafiz.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, today we will learn vocabulary words from 121 to 135. At the end of the lecture, I hope you have understood all the vocabulary words very well. Best of luck.